Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we are going to be taking a look at the Whitestone Dome Glass Easy Glass Screen Protector for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. This screen protector is also available for the rest of the iPhone 12 series as well, so if by the end of this video you do find yourself interested in this screen protector, I'll make sure to have a link down in the description below. We also have one right here for the camera module in the back, so you can keep that protected as well. Now, before Whitestone Dome used to have a very kind of complicated process to putting their screen protectors on, which I do have an original one right here, which I will do in a separate video. This just requires a couple more steps to be able to get that screen protector on this nice and precise. Well, now they have come up with a new way to put it on. Very easy, simple process, which is why they call it the Easy Glass Screen Protector. And today we're going to be installing this and checking it out, and also testing it out with some cases to see if it is compatible with cases as well. And then we'll also put on the one for the camera. So let's go ahead and install it and check it out. All right, so I got everything out of the box and ready to go here. Now this is a 2-pack here, as you can see. So if for whatever reason you do happen to mess up, you can always redo it with the other screen protector that comes in the box, or later on, if you do happen to end up breaking it, you can always replace it. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that your phone is powered down. Then once you do that, you want to take the wet swab that comes in the box, and what we're going to do is just wipe the display. You want to make sure it's clean of any fingerprints, anything like that. Just make sure it's nice and clean. Wipe down just like that. Let me go ahead and put this to the side, and then we'll go ahead and just dry it off with this dry towel we have in here. There we go. Looking good, looking good. I don't think I see any fingerprints, so I think we're ready to go with that. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this over to the side. Then we're gonna take these dust removing stickers. Just take one off right here, and then you're just going to tap around the phone. Make sure there's no dust around the display, because you don't want to have any air bubbles developing under that tempered glass screen protector. And you want to make sure you do this in a dust-free environment, or as dust-free as possible if you can. I believe I am in a dust-free environment. Hopefully I don't have any dust particles floating around here, but it looks like we are good. Not gonna lie, it's a little bit harder to do this behind the camera, but I am going to do the best that I can. And there we go. So it looks like we are good with the dust. Now we're gonna go ahead and take this tray right here. You got a little Whitestone Dome branding down there. You wanna make sure this is at the bottom, and we're just going to set it on top of the phone, just like that. And what this is going to do is pretty much be our guide for the screen protector. It's going to make it fall in place nice and precise. Oh, I see a little bit of dust falling on my display, so I got to get this done as quick as possible. Okay, I think we're good there, hopefully. All right, let's go ahead and take out the screen protector. Let me go ahead and slide this out just like that. And it's going to be as easy as this. Just peel off the bottom right here, just like that. You're going to start at the bottom like this and just drop it down just like that. And that guide is going to help it fall in there nice and precise. There we go. And then what you want to do is just take your towel here, just kind of rub around. As you can see, the adhesive under the screen protector is already spreading out to where it needs to go. Okay, so it's just finishing up here. Now, if you start seeing things like this, it's not an air bubble. All you got to do is just press out just like that. So you got to kind of spread it out yourself. So I'm just gonna make my way out just like that. There we go, and just like that, we are done, and all we have to do is take off this tray. Now, usually with the original one, the one that requires a lot of steps, at this point, we would be using the UV light to cure the adhesive under this screen protector, but that is not provided here because we don't need that with this screen protector here. As you can see, we are all done. We are getting full coverage here, except for a little hole right here for the earpiece, but you're pretty much getting full coverage here, and it actually turned out really good. I don't see any air bubbles or anything like that. Let me go ahead and power the device on so we can see how well it works when you're using the device, how responsive the display is going to be for you. All right, so I got the device on and ready to go, and as you can see here, the responsiveness is perfect. It pretty much feels like I don't have a screen protector on this device. I mean, it doesn't even look at it unless, of course, you look at the top here. But other than that, you can't even tell that there is a screen protector on this device. It looks that good. So as far as responsiveness goes, you're not going to have any problems using your device with this screen protector on. Now let's go ahead and check out the protector for the camera. All right, so checking out the glass protector for the camera module here, pretty much the same process we just went through. This is a two-piece as well. So if you do need to replace it later on, make sure you save that second piece. So it's going to be the same process. You just want to wipe it down, make sure it's nice and clean with this wet towelette that we have here. And then once I'm done wiping that down, I'll go ahead and get the dry one, dry it off, just like that. And then we want to make sure we have no dust around that camera module as well. Go ahead and take the dust removing stickers, just go around it, make sure there's no dust. Whoops. Okay, let me get the other side. And it looks like we're pretty good on the dust. I don't think there's any dust there. Got one more piece right there. And I think we are good. All right, there we are. So after we're done doing this, is that dust? No, that is not dust. Okay, so once we do that and remove the dust, we're just going to take the protector right here. Now it is black. It is not going to be clear and blend in with the camera module there. So not sure if some people are going to like that or not, but if you do want to keep that protected, this is going to be a good choice to go with. You just peel it off like that, and then it's basically going to line itself up for you once you put it around the camera lenses, just like that. You want to make sure you get it nice and precise, and then you're just going to press down on it so it sticks. That way the adhesive spreads. Here we go. Just go ahead and put some pressure there. And okay, so you know what? This is actually not going to work. As you can see here, there's a bit of a gap between the protector and where it's supposed to meet the camera module. It's very loose. You can't get the adhesive to stick on that part because this is a full flat piece of glass right here. So it does sit on top of the lenses, which is preventing it from going all the way down and sticking. As you can see there, it's not going to stick. So this is actually something I'm going to have to contact Whitestone Dome about. Not sure if they know about this yet or not, but I will be contacting them about this. So as of right now, do not purchase this just yet. I will do an updated video. If I hear back from them, maybe they can send me out another one once it is fixed. But for right now, just hold off on this. So sorry about that. Good thing we tried it out here on video, so I can let you guys know that it is not compatible as of yet. But as far as the screen protector goes, it is looking great on there. Perfect. Let's go ahead and check it out with some cases here. Got a case here from Spec. Let's go ahead and slap the phone in. As you can see there, it is compatible with the case. It does not touch the case at all, so you're not going to have any problem with that. Let's go ahead and try out another case here. So this one is from Rinky. This is the Camo Black. Let's go ahead and slap that in there. Also compatible with this case as well. As you can see there, the edges are not touching or anything like that. So it's going to be great with that. Let's go ahead and check out this case from Subcase. This is their Volt case. Slap this in just like that. And again, nice and compatible. Let's check out another case from Subcase. There we go. This is the Unicorn Beetle series, and it is looking good, nice and compatible. One more case. We're going to test out a bulky case from Unicorn Beetle. This is a Unicorn Beetle Pro. Now, this does already come with a pre-installed screen protector, but you know what? Let's check it out anyways. Let's see if it'll work or not. Just set it right on top like that. Just put it into the device. And it looks like it's going to work out. As you can see there, well, you know what? Maybe not. Nope, it's lifting this top part up too much. So it is not going to work with their Pro series. As you can see here, the case will not fit all the way around. So as far as, I mean, I'm sure if this pre-installed screen protector wasn't there, it would work, but since it is there, it's not going to work. But again, we can always pop this out if we really wanted to, so we can continue using this screen protector right here. But again, this is the Easy Glass from Whitestone Dome for the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comments sections below. If you do find yourself interested in the screen protector right here, I'll make sure to have a link down in the description below so you can go ahead and check one out for yourself. But you guys, thank you so much for watching. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.